Previously, we looked at the basic functionality of the free modeling cloth add-on. An interesting tool of this add-on is called MC Grid Tools. It can fill any shape with geometry. This can be useful, for example, when making clothing from a pattern. You can create an outline based on the pattern by extruding a single vertex. Then close the gap by selecting both vertices and pressing F. Make sure you separate the objects before using Grid Tools. Select all its vertices in Edit mode, then click on Fill Polyline. Press Tab a couple of times to see the result. Instead of tracing the whole pattern, you can trace one side and then use Symmetrize. The options include the choice between mostly quads or triangles. With the size value, you can adjust the size of the triangles. To connect cloth pieces, select Edges, then click on Sew Lines. You can then use the sewing function of the cloth modifier and further refine the result. Watch this video if you want to learn more about the sewing process in Blender.